Hello students, today we will do the story A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. A Triumph of Surgery is a simple story with a simple subject which has much significance for our life. This chapter tells us how a rich lady pampers her dog and makes it very lazy. Her overfeeding the dog makes it fat and ill. The narrator, who is a doctor, understands the dog's lethargy and treats it his clinic. And the dog becomes active and the lady takes him back home. The story starts. Tricky was a small dog. His mistress Pampery pampered him very much. She overfed him and she gave him food rich with fats. Tricky never refused food any time. He was always greedy for food. He liked cream cakes, biscuit very much. Mrs. Pamphry gave him cod liver oil, Horlicks, and other so many things. She always gave him wine to drink also. This all made Tricky look like a bloated sausage. He became very lazy. He became uninterested in things. He kept lying all days on the carpet. He had some bouts of vomiting. Mrs. Pamphry thought that his dog has become seriously ill. So she called Mr. James Herriot, who was a vet surgeon. Mrs. Herriot had already expected this to happen as he knew that Tricky was suffering because of overeating. He had already made his plans. He took a firm line and said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. This suggestion made Mrs. Pamphry almost swooned. She thought that Tricky couldn't live even a single day without seeing his mistress. But Mr. Herriot wrapped him in a blanket and took him out of the house and put him in his car. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house members were very sad. The maids, the servants were putting Tricky's things in the car. Everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery. When Herriot reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him. They sniffed Tricky and showed no interest in him. Till 2 days, Herriot didn't give him anything to eat. He gave him a lot of water to drink. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. He gave him no medicine. After 2 days, Tricky had started taking interest in his surroundings. He mixed up with other dogs. He enjoyed being rolled over. He became a member of gang. At home, he had almost no exercise, but now in doctor's house, in the name of surgery, he had a lot of exercise and fun. Controlled diet and activities made the dog very active. But Mrs. Pamphry remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him that he is better and recovering. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery, so she sent 2 dozen of fresh round eggs, wine, brandy for him daily, so that he might recover soon. But the doctor didn't give those things to him because he really didn't need this type of diet. The doctor and his partners enjoyed those eggs, wine, and brandy. After a fortnight, Mrs. Pamphry came to collect Tricky. She was tense and worried. She didn't hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into his Mrs. Pamphry's arms. She was surprised to see all this. She said that it was a victory of surgery. Actually क्या है बेटा? The main cause was of the illness is overfeeding, and he takes the dog to his surgery but the doctor keep the dog in a natural environment, and the dog gets well under his supervision and the natural environment of surgery. So the main theme of this chapter is that parents often pamper their kids by giving them excessive and variety of meals. Because of this, they become overweight and spoiled. Parents just try to meet every demand of the kid and fail to give them exercise for their body and mind. So, student, you should do a lot of exercise and you should eat healthy food. Okay, bye, beta.